Fuel your drive, the power of diet and exercise. Imagine waking up each day, feeling energized and ready to take on the world. Diet, food, and exercise can make that happen. Transforming your life starts with what you eat. Nutritious meals fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and uplift your spirit. But it's not just about eating right. Adding exercise into your routine boosts your mood, thanks to those natural endorphins. Together, diet, food, and exercise create a powerful duo. They not only help you shed pounds but also build resilience. Imagine feeling stronger with each passing day. Every healthy meal and workout brings you closer to your best self. Eating well and staying active aren't just about physical benefits. They're key to mental clarity and emotional balance. So, take the first step today. Let diet, food, and exercise be your allies in crafting a happier, healthier life.